Hi guys, welcome to Everything Blockchain. MMT Finance has been picking up serious momentum lately. $10 million in funding backed by big names, and swap volume doubled in just 5 days from 100 million to 200 million. But what matters more is what you can actually do here. So in this video, I'll walk you through how to swap, provide liquidity, and how these two activities will help drive volume, which could mean more rewards down the line. So let's start with the basics, swapping. Head to their website, I'll drop the link in the description box, connect your wallet, and choose the token pair you wish to trade. As for me, I'm going to swap 100, make it 50 SUI to vSUI. Quick, low slippage, super smooth UX. This act of swapping alone adds to the volume. It's simple yet effective. Say you've got some SUI. You can swap that to USDC, then use that USDC to buy another token, could be any, deep, wall, any, and then eventually swap back to SUI. Every trade you make adds to your volume, and that's what gets you up on the leaderboard. Just a heads up, you will lose a small amount with each swap due to fees and slippage, so if you're grinding for leaderboard spots or farming for future rewards, make sure you're okay with those trade-offs. Now let's put the vSUI to work. Click on liquidity, select the vSUI SUI pool as you can see over here. You can even choose to deposit a single token. For me, I'm just going to add 50 vSUI. The more you provide, the more volume you help create and the more you earn. It's that simple. Swapping, LPN all drive volume. That's how you move up the ranks. And with how fast this thing is growing, getting active early might be worth it, because momentum isn't just a name, or at least that's what they say. It means supercharged liquidity. It means making your funds on Suilend network worth their absolute hardest. It means peace of mind. That's their tagline. Anyway, they had an early adopter form that's now closed, but there are some quests on Galxe that you can complete. I've dropped the link in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Also, if you're farming airdrops on the Suilend network, I urge you to watch my video on walrus staking. If you want to secure their next drop, that walkthrough will set you up right. Links for everything are in the description as well as on the screen right here. Alright, now we move on to ITA staking. So for this, we need some iSUI. So I'm heading over to Sprint SUI to check what kind of rate I'm getting to swap my SUI to iSUI. But before locking anything in, I always compare. So let's take a look at what Suilend is offering as well. Okay, Suilend, as you can see, is offering a better swap rate. So that's where we're swapping our SUI to iSUI. It doesn't matter where you swap. Once you've got your iSUI, you head to the Lend tab right here. And under Ecosystem LSTs, you're going to select iSUI. If you click on state, it will redirect you to Sprint SUI, but we're going to click on it to deposit our newly swapped iSUI. So I'm going to deposit 50 iSUI right here and click on deposit, approve the transaction, and with that I have successfully deposited iSUI. Like and subscribe if this helped, and I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.